What if a retreat could be shaped by two simple ideas? Hikari, the light, and Mori, the forest. Tucked quietly between trees, this hidden retreat reveals itself only as the day fades. Warm lanterns flicker, soft light spills through glass, and the outside world gently disappears. This isn't just a stay. It's a feeling you didn't know you needed. Natural light in architecture moves like it belongs here. Filtered, soft, unhurried. A beautifully layered, warm neutral space that leans into soft textures. Balance of natural wood, gentle textiles, and diffused glow makes it feel both refined and effortlessly comforting. Framing in architecture turns the outside into something personal. A tree, a shadow, a piece of sky held just for you. Nothing reaches for you. Yet something within you finally settles. You begin to notice yourself again in the stillness, and when you leave, you somehow don't carry the place with you. You carry who you became in it.